me show you the derivatives. Then we'll work some examples. All right? The first one is the derivative of e to the x. Or let's say e to the u. So we're not using x in there. Derivative of e to the u is e to the u du. What's du? The derivative of exponent, right? That's the first one. That is the one that is used more than any.
That's good. I like that.
It's easy.
Easy money.
Right?
Easy. Amen.
So, what's the derivative of e to the x?
E to the x, dx.
E to the x times 1. Right? You agree?
Yes.
All right. Now, the derivative of a to the u. This is where we have a number raised to a variable power. That's when this comes in. This is equal to a to the u ln of a du over dx. All right? For example, what is the derivative of 2 to the t power? What is the derivative of this?
2t.
2 to the t ln of 2 times 1, right? Right?
Yeah. So, would you want us to simplify ln of 2 or just leave it?
How are you going to simplify ln of 2?
Calculate.
No, that doesn't simplify it. That changes it to a decimal.
Okay.
Simplify means break it down smaller, and it does not. Okay? The derivative of ln of u is 1 over u du. Okay? So what's the derivative of ln of 3x? Times 3, which is
X. 1 over x.
1 over x.
Wait, why, what's the difference between du and du of x?
Nothing. It's just the way I'm writing it.
Yeah,
Okay? The derivative of log base a of u is equal to 1 over u ln of a du. So, what is the derivative of log base 6 of x squared?
1 over
Square 6
Times
2x.
2x, which is equal to what?
2 over x ln 6. Interesting. Doesn't seem too hard.
Yeah.
They're not.
No, we good.
The hardest thing is you have to know them.
I love memorizing things.
Good. say we could?
Yeah, I would.
All right, because I'm going to put these out of the way. You're welcome to have them on your desk, but I can't do both.
Thank you.
All right? However, when's our test?
Tomorrow.
Wednesday.
Over.
And you cannot have anything on your desk Wednesday.
Wow.
In fact, part of the test, maybe the whole test, will be no calculator. That's good?
Yeah, great. Yes.
Good.
That's not fantastic.
I mean, what do we need our calculator for, really?
Everything.
We have to sign
Maybe
it.
some Polly's quality.
We wouldn't need, we have to sign it. That way we open the,
Sign
we
it.
don't have time to sign it.
Okay. Find the derivative. What's the derivative of e to the x?
2x. Oh, alright, well, e to x squared 2x.
E to the x squared times 2x.
Yeah. See?
That's it.
Sweet. See?
Okay.
I love I can memorize all these. And then print off a pink sheet of paper, write all this stuff on it.
Okay.
It's a little harder.
Yep. So what's the derivative? Is this a product?
Yeah. Okay, whoa. Oh, I thought this was easy. I was wrong.
Okay. What's the derivative of this? The first,
Yeah. Derivative of the second.
which is e to the x.
Would it be e to the x? X?
No.
Oh, this is one. Okay.
Plus the second times the derivative of the first. Okay. Minus. Now let's do the product rule. The first times the derivative of the second plus second times the derivative of the first. Right?
Would it be a negative or it doesn't matter?
Okay. So is my derivative x squared e to the x plus x e to the x. No. Don't I have a 2x minus x?
Yes, that's true.
Minus e to the x.
Well, yeah, because that's not really C, that makes sense.
Oh, because you're. Why would you do it x?
Because x, e to x.
Isn't this 2x e to the x minus 1x e to the x?
Okay. Okay. Doable.
Take 2 minus 1. Oh.
All right. This is an a to the u, is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
So what's the derivative?
9 to the negative x ln 9.
ln 9 times what?
-4.
So can I put a negative out here?
If you want to.
Because I have to make sure it's times -1 and not -1, don't I?
Yeah.
Next negative.
Okay?
Probably.
I got extra extras.
What is y prime?
Okay.
It's 1 over what?
Over x.
So maybe 5.
I got the 5. I got the
And
5
then,
too.
what's the u? It's going to be 1/2 x.
Okay. X.
Isn't that going to be multiplied by 1/2 x negative 1/2?
I was going to. I'm not finished.
Times x to 1/2.
Why is the ln on the bottom?
I thought it was.
Respect.
Times x to 1/2.
X to 1/2 over e to the negative 1/2. It's going to be
Wait a minute. What is it times?
Derivative of u.
to the negative
1/2 x to the negative 1.
1/2 x to the negative 1/2.
That's what I want.
Because you have to have the derivative of the x.
There.
Right?
Yeah. That's what I was trying to say.
Okay. I've got to simplify this. And I'm going to tell you that it simplifies to 1 over. Okay, what is it?
Sure.
Is that right?
Because then you get that.
Oh, yeah.
Why wouldn't it be 1/2 radical x?
Because isn't this a radical x at the bottom?
Yeah.
And radical x times radical x is x.
But what about the 2?
So what about the 1/2?
This 2,
Yeah.
No.
this 2.
Oh, that too.
This right here is a radical x down here.
Times the radical.
Okay.
This is a 2 down here.
Okay.
Taking this actually.
What have I not done? Have I done an example of them all?
ln equals 1 over a d. Yeah. ln to the u or ln u.
So does the original doesn't have the ln on the bottom? Like the
Yeah.
or whatever.
I started.
What do you mean?
I think I wrote down one of these wrong. Well, I think I did.
Okay,
Is
so
that
I
right?
in and in.
Like,
In and in.
ln squared.
I have 1 over u times
ln x. What's ln times ln?
ln squared.
No.
You're not going to want to use
2
ln.
ln. I mean, that makes sense to me.
What's the derivative of this?
2 ln x.
2 ln x times 1 over
1 over x
x
times 1.
times.
So would you agree with that?
What?
Wait, do I have to put it like that or can I
No.
just leave it?
No.
That's-
Okay, let's do a hard one and then I'm going to give you your assignment. Ready?
I'm not going to make another grade below.
Oh, good. I'm so glad.
Bold statement.
Ready to go.
Oh, yeah?
Okay, so how much money are we betting on this?
I'm putting $5 that this assignment will be a B. This assignment that he's fixing to do.
For him?
Yes.
Well, not counting the assignment that I have
Oh,
from
okay.
yesterday. Or this Tuesday.
He's talking about the one worksheet from now on.
Okay.
Now on?
Talking about this one that we're doing today.
How do we do it?
That's a great statement on homework because do you know who Brian Mead is?
He's probably that smart.
He said, how come I can make 100 on every test and can't make above a B on the homework?
Is that ln to the 3 or ln 3?
Ln 3. Huh?
How come?
It's your homework, you're learning, you're gonna make mistakes.
I just must be
The
smart.
idea is to figure out your mistakes, right?
So what was his
Okay,
overall grade?
what's the derivative? What?
What was his overall grade?
Probably a 98.
Dude,
Did you see him on TV Saturday?
yeah.
I would
Did he
watch
play?
it. It was not good.
It was ugly.
Someone.
Oh yeah, he plays.
He needs all.
Not all of them.
I knew Iowa State was gonna win.
I thought they were too. What is the derivative, guys? You tell me. Log, this is log,
M&M.
1 over
Log A,
1 plus x ln 3 times 3 times.
wait a minute,
Yeah.
times 3,
So the whole thing's times.
that's what I wanted to know.
No. Parentheses inside, in between the 3 and the ln. No, times 3. Now you got another times 3.
Yes, like this. Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have the thing here.
The derivative of
Wait, where did that 3 come from at the end there?
the log.
Oh,
Isn't it times A?
What's ln?
Now, times,
1 over 3. No, times 0.
isn't it the derivative of this?
Yeah.
What's the derivative of this?
1 over 3.
Okay, now what's ln?
1. No, 0.
I think it's this.
ln 13?
0 plus.
3.
We do the product rule. Dang.
Love the product for you.
X to ln, x times ln.
Interesting.
1 is 0, that's 0, plus the product rule, which is 1 times, I'm lost, 1 over 3, but it says times the derivative
I don't
of
think
u,
that's right.
it's 0. 1/3 times 0 is 0, because the derivative of 3 is 0.
Shut up.
It's right. Just exist.
You're talking too much.
Then shut up.
Oh my goodness.
What are you doing about it? Come on,
Come back there.
Jack, come on. Let's see it.
It's not. I'm just not.
I'll get you like I did on Saturday.
Nope. It's me a golf match.
Okay, you're
Catch me in 5.
Shouldn't,
Yeah, keeps me on kickoff.
Yeah.
shouldn't this right here be ln of 3?
That's what I had.
Anything else?
Say what?
Yeah.
X ln. Why would that be ln of 3? Because that would be 8.
ln of u, ln of A, isn't it? Isn't that it? And what cancels?
Wait, no, it's just 4 times.
No.
Wait.
No.
Okay, where did you get the ln of 3? How is that the derivative?
Looking.
I'm looking at my notes. Don't yell at me. Don't make me
You're the one that's yelling, bro.